Hey guys, it's Jen. I'm so excited. I just got home from work and this was waiting for me. Paper Gang. The latest Paper Gang box. Look at this box. Isn't that beautiful? So beautiful. I love it. Love it. Just the way it is. All right, so let's open this bad boy. I'm kind of very anxious because we've been kind of messing around with my lights for the past like 15 minutes, so I've been dying to open this. I'm like trying to be patient while Rob's working out my light problems. Hello, stationary lover. Hello, lover. Paper Gang. This is awesome. Okay. Designed by Steffi Lynn. I'm not going to look at what's in it. I want to see what's in it. Oh, a novel for a generation. Okay, cool. Bookmark. Advertising a book. Tree Aid. Oh, Future Forest Appeal. UK Aid. So it's like charity stuff. Okay. Check this out. I'm so excited, guys. Guys, I'm so excited. Oh my god! Look at the sticker. Okay. And just a little bit. But, oh, look at that. All the iridescent goodness. Hello. And it's big, too. Like, my hands aren't very big, but, like, look at that. Look at that, baby. That's huge. I don't know if I have any room left on my tablet. Planner. Have a nice day. I don't use planners, but you know what? Because I've tried to use planners, but I finally came to terms with the fact that I won't use a planner. I used to buy a planner every year and use it for like, a few weeks and then never touch it again. But what I can do is use this as a journal. Definitely. I love, love, love. I love the texture. It's very fabric-y. And I love the iridescent planner. Have a nice day. And I love like the pastel-y tie-dyed or the muted tie-dye. Really, really like that. That's so pretty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Iridescent pencils. Ooh, nice. What is this? They always give like the cutest little bags. This is like heavy canvas. Oh, paper clips. Oh, look, they're so pretty. Black, purple, and blue. So they're all like iridescent-y. Wait, there might be other colors in there. Hang on. Nope. Oh, yeah. Okay, there. Nice. Whole bunch of paper clips. I can always use paper clips. Something I'm always using. Especially pretty ones. So pretty. And the little bag. The little bag's so cute. Look at that little bag. And it's like a little heavy duty canvas. Isn't that so cute? Little drawstring bag. Ooh, page tags. Cute. Oh, cool. And normally like they'd be like sticky on that side, but they're sticky on that side. Page flags. Cute. That is my cat hollering because of the injustice. He has not had enough cheese. Have a nice day, Paper Gang. I don't even know what this is. Oh my god. Oh, it's a print. Oh, it's a print. That's so pretty. That's a print, yeah? Let me see here. Where's the book? Just to make sure I get everything right. Linen Daily Planner. Oh yeah, A5 art print with a hot foil embellishment printed on sustainably sourced paper. Wait, there's no hot foil embellishment on that. Yeah, there's no foil on that. What are you guys talking about? Point sticker markers. Oh, that's what they're calling these. The little page tags. Vinyl sticker. Yup. 2 pencils with rubbers and a holographic finish. I love the British. Oh, it says make it happen. Oh, cool. And have a nice day. The same things that were on the planner and the Oh, look. Oh, wow. I really focused on that. Right on. Boop. Cute. Pencils, and then 60 multicolored paper clips in a cloth bag. Yeah. That's awesome. I really, really like it. That's nice. I have a feeling that this was supposed to be hollow, because it does say A5 art print with a hot foil embellishment printed on sustainably sourced paper. So I think that one was supposed to be, that's really pretty. Ooh. Oh, and they do a socks thing too, the same company, Oh Dear. They do a socks thing, which is cool. Have a nice day. Yeah, I like this one. Steffi Lynn. She makes some very pretty stuff. I love the colors. I love the brightness. This is awesome. Okay, yeah. So, and like I said, I mean, even though it's a planner, I mean, if I'm getting a stationery box, of course, at some point I'm going to get a planner. But yeah, I like that this is this style, because then I can use it as like a book. Like I'll probably use it as like a glue book or a journal, or, you know, some art journal or whatever, something like that. But I do love, love, love it. Or maybe I'll like keep track of my YouTube videos if there's something. I do like it though. I do like the tasks and timetable. That's cool. I wish I could use a planner, but I just won't. My intentions are always good, and then yeah, eventually I just admitted to myself that I'm not a planner person. Yeah, so that's it. Everything's awesome. So yeah, let me know what you think. You think this was a good subby box? I think it was very good. I like it. Definitely like it. And oh, another thing about PAPERGANG, oh dear, I guess I contacted them because I had stopped. I had gotten a 1-month subscription, so it was only monthly, and so I stopped that and signed up for a 3-month subscription instead. But because I stopped the first one and started a new one, they sent me that month's box, so I got a second April box. This is May's box, by the way. I got a second April box, so I contacted them. I'm like, well, you know, I kind of whatever. Like, what am I supposed to do? And they said, oh, you can return it, and then you'll get another box at the end or whatever on your 3 months or whatever. So, yeah, that's awesome. Thank you, Oh Dear, for that. That's awesome. And yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for sharing this exciting unboxing with me. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, please. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Awesome. So thanks for watching. Bye.